So in a previous video, I showed you how to create a Google form and determine the response destination. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send that form out to the people you would like to respond to it. So after you've created your form and you've determined your response destination, look for the purple button that says Send. Click on it. You'll have a number of options for sending out the form. The first is by email. You can either send this to one person or a group of people. It can even be a contact list if you have a contact list with a number of people that you frequently will contact. And then you can determine the settings for the email. You can change the subject if you want. You can change the content of the email. That is not the link or the form itself. And you can even include the form in the email that you send. You can grab the link for the form. Each of these forms has its own link associated with it, so you can grab the link. If you'd like to shorten that link, you have the option to do that as well. If you are going to embed the form into another website, you can get the HTML embed code directly from the Google form. You can determine the dimensions that it will occupy on the web page. You even have the option to send the form out using either Facebook or Twitter if you have those accounts connected. And that is how you can send your form out to different people.